Home Remedies presents How to Pick a Perfect Avocado 5 Tips. Avocados are incredibly versatile, and its unique yet mild flavor lends itself to many recipes. If you are a big fan of avocado, you are not alone. In recent decades, the green delicacy has captured the hearts of many and found its way into a variety of dishes, snacks, smoothies, and even desserts. But one issue with avocados is the difficulty of picking good ones. How can you tell if the avocado is ripe enough? Some avocados appear to be slightly soft on the outside only, but found to be hard as rock on the inside. What if the avocado is too ripe and you don't get a chance to use it before it goes bad? That's why we have decided to provide you with expert tips on how to pick the perfect avocado. Ones that will not take a whole week to ripen or go bad within one day. Keep this list handy the next time you go to the grocery store. Firmness. The firmness of the avocado will give you a hint about its state of ripeness. To check, hold it in the palm of your hand and squeeze it gently. Make sure you don't poke it with your fingers. If it yields, it's ripe. If it does not, it means it may need a few more days to ripen. Color. Look for avocados that have a rich dark green color or even almost black. Avocados that are a lighter shade of green are likely unripe. Hass avocados make up the majority of avocados sold in Canada, so you are almost 100% safe with this tip. But if you happen to come across another variety, the color may not tell the whole story. Stem. You can find out a lot about the state of an avocado from examining its stem. First, instead of pressing on the side of the avocado and risk bruising it, press down on the area near the stem. If you leave a dent, the avocado is likely overripe, but if it caves in slightly but retains its shape, the avocado is just ripe enough. Bruising. If the avocado has large bruises, breaks in the skin or areas that are oversoft, avoid buying it. It is likely overripe and you might have to toss it as soon as you slice it open. Timing. When you are buying avocados, a good rule of thumb is to think of when you are planning to use them. If you are planning to use them within the next 1 to 2 days, follow all the tips outlined earlier. But if you are planning to wait a little longer, say 3 to 5 days, select ones that are still green and quite firm. Hope this helps. Apart from these tips, if you have accidentally bought unripe avocados, worry not. There are things you can do that will speed up the ripening process. For this, just watch the video in the description box and pinned comment. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.